If you want to make money on YouTube, you have to download other people's videos, then re-upload their videos on YouTube and make thousands and thousands of dollars every day. You will find so many videos on YouTube like this. But wait, if you follow this strategy, you can't make money from YouTube. If you do that, your channel gets a copyright strike.
Oh God, please no!
So what is the real way to make money on YouTube without even making videos? There is a legit method called the cash cow channel method. This method allows you to make money on YouTube without making videos and without worrying about copyright. A cash cow YouTube channel is a YouTube channel where you can make money without showing your face. This business model is becoming popular day by day, and many people will tell you that this strategy doesn't work. That's because those people are doing this in the wrong way. But with the strategy I'm going to show you today, you will be able to use other people's content for free without copyright issues. Now I will show you how you can make your video yourself. You can go to websites like pexels.com to get completely free stock footage and pictures to use within your videos. For example, you are doing a video about how to become rich. You can search rich right here on pexels.com. Once you do that, you can see tons of different pictures according to your search. And if you select videos, you can find tons of free videos used within your video. If you can't find any clips on pexels.com, I recommend looking at Pixabay. They have a lot more clips. And if you're looking for stock clips and you can't find them on Pixabay or Pexels, then I recommend going to a website called Storyblocks. But Storyblocks is not a free website. Storyblocks is a monthly subscription-based website, so it does cost money every single month, but they have many more stock videos that you can use in your videos. Now you might be asking how you actually edit your videos. To solve this problem, you can use a completely free and open-source video editor called OpenShot. Simply go to openshot.org to download this video editor for your Mac or PC. But suppose you're doing this on the phone. In that case, I recommend getting an app called KineMaster. After that, go to some popular YouTube channels in your niche and recreate their most popular video. For example, Free Investing channel here. Go to their Videos tab and filter it by their most popular videos. This will show you the videos that are getting the most views. So you need to go to a channel and see if you could remake any of these videos on your own. But remember, don't copy everything. Make sure you remake these videos in your own way. For example, we wanted to remake this video right here. Now what you're going to do is you have to watch the video and take notes of what's said throughout it, then reword it in your own ways. And you can also simply use Google to do some research to include some additional value. And you have to write down a script that's about 1,500 to 1,800 words long, so that you can make an 8 to 10 minutes long video. When you complete a script, you have to record a voiceover of the script, and you can do this using your phone if you don't have a microphone. And if you want to add any music to your video, you can get music from YouTube Audio Library, which is 100% free to use. Once you have the script, voiceover, footage, and music, you need to edit the video. To do that, you have to download OpenShots or any video editor and edit them. In this video, I don't go in depth in video editing. If you search on YouTube, you will find many tutorials on video editing. But if you don't even need to make the videos yourself, you can get other people to make the videos for you, which is the real YouTube automation system. You can find people to generate videos. You can hire people on Fiverr.com. Fiverr is the world's largest marketplace for digital services, where individuals or companies can find freelancers with a skill that suits their needs. It is considered a micro-task site, where you can do relatively quickly, small one-off tasks, which they call gigs. Now the main thing is monetization. The question is, how do you actually make money from YouTube? The main monetization method is ad revenue. Ad revenue can be a great way to make money. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to put ads on your channel. And once you get monetized, make sure to create videos that are longer than 8 minutes because you will be able to put multiple ad breaks throughout your videos and make a lot more money. For example, if you have a video that's 10 minutes long, make sure to put an ad at the beginning and end, then 3 or 4 ads interspersed through the video because you're going to be making potentially 3 or 4 times more money than before. And if you want to put affiliate links in your description, go to marketplaces like digistore24.com or clickbank.com. Here you will find so many different digital products that you can promote. Now I will show you some example channels so that you can pick the right niche. But before we start, welcome to my channel where I teach you the latest making money online tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel with the notification bell on. Now let's get started. Niche number 1 is the pet niche. So if you like different types of pets, you can consider doing a channel in the pet niche. An excellent example channel in this niche is Animal Wise. They have around 500k subscribers, and this channel gets approximately 1 million views per month on their channel, and their monthly earning is between $388 to $6,200. Niche number 2 is the motivation niche. An example channel is called Motivational Instinct. They have over 250k subscribers and get over 1 million views a month on their channel. They use free stock footage in their videos' backgrounds, and they are making approximately between $48 to $767 per month. Niche number 3 is the gadget niche. If you like discussing different gadgets, this could be an excellent niche. This channel is called Future Tech. This channel makes videos about gadgets that people can buy. They have over 600k subscribers, making approximately between $115 to $1,800 per month. Niche number 4 is the quiz niche. Actually, this type of video has huge demand in video format on YouTube. People make videos talking about these different quizzes by asking questions. This is the channel Mr. Test. They have over 600k subscribers. They are getting around 400k views per month. According to Social Blade, their estimated monthly earning is $105 to $1,700 per month. Niche number 5 is the tutorial niche. Now if you like computers and technology and everything like that, you can potentially get a lot of views doing this. This channel is called Tech Gumbo. They have over 1 million subscribers, and they are getting over 2 million views per month. They do videos about different software, how to use it, and that type of stuff. They never show their face. They only do videos by recording their screen, and they're talking and giving guides on different software. According to Social Blade, their estimated monthly earning is $591 to $9,500 per month. I think this is enough to start. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell if you don't want to miss our upcoming videos.